Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. So lately my energy levels were so low and I decided to just make this juice for myself, and I've been drinking it for the past 2 weeks, and trust me, I got results in like the first week. So what we need is 2 cucumbers, medium sized, 1 carrot, a large carrot, and a quarter fresh watermelon. Make sure it is ripe. It's a sugar-free juice, but it's very hydrating, it's very refreshing. You like it. If you need something hydrating, you can't go wrong with cucumbers and watermelon. They have lots of water in them, and they also have lots of nutrients in them. First of all, let's talk about the carrots. The carrots are very good for your body. They are full of vitamin C, they have vitamin K, they are good for your eyesight, for your skin. And when we talk about the watermelon, the list is endless. It's also full of vitamins, minerals, lots of water. In case the people who don't like drinking water, but if you just make this juice, you can just drink it willingly. And the watermelon is also sweet, so it's also going to help with increasing your blood sugar levels. The cucumber has lots of benefits in it. It's good for your skin, it's refreshing, it has lots of fluid in it, and it's filled with lots of minerals. There is no particular time on when to drink this juice. You can drink it in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Just make sure it is fresh. Don't keep it for so long, because watermelon can easily go bad. You just have to make sure it is always fresh. You can practically just make 1 jug for 2 days. That's what I've been doing. I make 1 jug, and those are like 2 glasses per day, and I'm good to go. So after blending, I'm just going to sieve the juice. This is how it looks like before sieving it, but it looks much better after sieving. It is very sweet. The color is beautiful, as you can see. So I'm just going to have a glass, and please try this juice. When you get the results or after making this juice, please share with me. Bye bye.